This is the wig, guys. It's hot here right now, but here's the wig. It's so good. It's good. You tell me if you think it's good. I think it's good. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, the real Princy, Princess P. Hello and welcome back. Today is How's My Hair Hump Day, and the subject is this red wig that I made to go to the Chris Brown concert. If you were here on Monday, you would see the Get Ready With Me, and now this is the follow-up with the hair that I wore.
What I use a sewing machine for. Oh God. Not clothes. I so wanted to be a part of this world. This is the girly I want to be. I want to be the make your clothes, make your own clothes girly. I wonder if it's too late. Anyways, I get some new needle. So I could try this needle because I broke a needle already. And this is a very stronger needle. But again, I learn. So I'm going to get this one. I'm going to get the universal. I'm going to get the denim. So I can use the denim. See how it goes.
So yes, I make my own wigs with a sewing machine. I used to do it by hand, and then I got a sewing machine, so now, you know, up the game. This is kind of how it looks when you sew it with the sewing machine. Everything is really neat, very tight. Yes, you're gonna cut out this middle piece here, and this is me just cutting it out. As time goes on, meet me here on a hump day. I'm gonna show you a full top to bottom process, how to use a sewing machine to make these wigs. It's something that you can also do. Let me know if you want to see more of this content, and if you do, you will see it here on a hump day. And once I was done, I gave her some curls, my standard drop curls that I give every one of my wigs, but they look good, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Well, wouldn't you know, I finished my wig and I got my straight backs, and I'm trying on clothes and I'm liking my outfits better with my straight backs. Now try me now, cause me wear my hair same way like Chris Brown. Yeah, cause me I love long hair. I'm very quite content with the no hair on my head, but yeah. And it was time to try her on. My hair is an accessory when it comes to my outfits. I don't always have the same hairstyle. I don't like to have the same hairstyle. I like to put on my clothes and see what hair goes with the vibe. I don't have combs in this wig, and I don't have anything special to keep it on. Because of the type of cap and I know my head size, it stays on pretty well and pretty snug. Now I'm just trying to decide which way I'm gonna wear it, whether it's going to be side part or middle part. I also comb out my curls always. This hair was wanded, and I want it to fall in a specific pattern. One day I will post a video of how I wand my hair, because the curls turn into this nice wavy pattern and they're all in the same direction, so it looks like real uniform, wavy, and together. So I made the wig with the intention of it being a middle part, and I plucked it as a middle part, but I shift all my wigs to the side when I don't want to wear it in the middle. I chose the side here, but looking back, I think the middle actually looked really good. What do you guys think? Which one should I really have done? The middle or the side was a good choice? If I'm not wearing a hat, this is the part. Look at me now. Look at me now. What you doing? I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Where have you been? Nobody loves me like you do. Nobody knows. Luckily, my hair was still in fair condition. I didn't need to put it in a pony. I didn't have a scoochie anyways. So tell me what you guys think. Was this acceptable by the end of the night, or are you feeling that this should have held the curl a little better? All in all, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Stay with me, subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. Do it. And big up my real ones. You done know so well. Real recognize real. It's the real Princy. Bye.